What is going on, guys? I just want to make a quick announcement. Thank you very much for the 200 subscribers. I already did the what is it? The hot sauce on the what is it, on the other video, which will be uploaded I think before this one. So there's that. There's that whole thing. But anyway, I want to say again, thank you so much for subscribing. I didn't really think I'd reach the 200 subscribers. Really, to me, it's a pretty big thing, and yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you. But anyway, I randomly got this on my recommendation, and let's check this guy out. A guy named Jaydaddy, and let's go. This looks really good. What is it? Leave a like, subscribe, and hope you guys enjoy. Let's go.
Surprise.
Oh my god. Bro, what is not even 10 seconds? What the hell's happening? Oh my god. Bro, it really be like that in horror movies. You could do so much to the what is it? You could do so much to the killer and nothing happens to them. They're always fine.
You. On me? No. On you. Wow, dude, look at that Lambo. Where?
What? 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 Okay. Pre-work. Oh my god. Bro, what are these? I feel like these would be fit so much for Vines.
What? He's got a knife. No. I'm coming. I'm waving my ass. Help.
What an ass.
He's under my bed. Who? The monster. They ain't no monsters. Check one more time. Okay, I got you. There's nothing under there, bud. Maybe you're just having a nightmare, buddy. You know what I'm saying? Get some rest, buddy. I'll see you in the morning, all right?
It's gonna be right there.
Son, what the the closet? He's in the closet. We gotta go in here, buddy. Yep. I don't see anything, buddy. Nope. Nobody in here, buddy. Oh, guys, got me. Son, help.
Yeah, he's bullshitting.
Dumb little face. You gonna
I knew he was messing with them. Because I would do the same thing.
shut that up, close them eyes, and go to bed, boy.
He's under the bed.
Hey, you scared little bitch, boy. He's under the bed again. There's no such thing as monsters.
Oh my god. What? Bro, living's in Groundhog Day. Oh, it's literally what it is. What? Oh, look, it's the clown. What is he? What? What is that? Is that pizza? No, it's a burrito. Is that a 5-layer burrito? What is that? He's gonna choke on that. Oh my god. The funny thing is that he knows all these things are happening because his memory isn't erasing. But at one point, from all the times that you have restarted your day because you're stuck in a Groundhog Day loop, when was there a time where there was a burrito right next to you? You did this to yourself, but yep, there it is.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing shit. I'm not doing anything. I wake up, I die. I wake up, I die.
This is an attack
Yeah,
warning. NOR is detected
okay.
the launch of 6 nuclear missiles.
Last chance. I'm not telling you shit, pig. Call the pig, bitch. Oh, God, please. No. Hey, Brian, let's take it down a notch. Hey, you shut the up. You shut your fucking mouth. Okay. All right. Eric? Or the f***ing drugs? Are you f***ing deaf? Do you hear the words that are coming out of my mouth? You hear that? All right, Ronnie, that's enough. Let me work. Let me f***ing work, man. Please. Okay. Are they in your ass?
Bro, this is exactly how some cops want to interrogate. They want to interrogate their suspects.
No. Man, if you're lying to me, I will cut your off and you.
Bro.
I don't know. Who knows? I am the one who knows. What? Who was that? Someone call an ambulance. Who the f was that? Oh my god. Can someone tell me who the f that was? Look what I got. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Yep. When he got that one emo kid, that's just that. What is it? That's surfing the inside of his backpack. Yep.
Mr. Peters, do you have your gun today? Unfortunately, no, Betsy. The school board took our guns away. Really? Just kidding. Dude! What the Mr. Peters? Mr. Peters, I have a question. Mr. Peters. Wait! Come on, man! I'm f***ing working here, dude! Okay. I'm trying to protect all you motherfuckers, man! And all I f***ing hear in the background is this, Mr. Peters! Mr. Peters, I have a question! Excuse me, Mr. Peters? Yes, Tyler. What would theoretically happen if a student got a hold of your gun? Nothing happens. You want to know why? Because I trust every single one of you. And what's a classroom without
That girl's trying to do a titty pic. You really think you could trust her?
trust? Hey, heads up, Jimmy. Sorry.
Stop, Jimmy.
Stop it. You're gonna do great. All right. You ready?
Wait, is that the character's name? What is it? Is that the character's name, Jimmy?
Ready.
Oh, I love it.
Here, take that. Yes. Yes, dude. You know that's what we're looking for. You know, some main character shit. Oh shit. He's getting up. Oh shit. Watch out. Marlon, hey, I found our gun.
Bro, chill. Bro, chill. He's down. He's dead. But he is the killer in the movie, so he's probably immortal. This is a Michael Myers. What is this? This is a Michael Myers, Jason, Freddy Krueger thing, bro. You could chop off their heads and put and inject acid into into their bodies, and they're still living.
Yeah, he's the f***ing guy, dude. He's the f***ing guy. Beat him like the Yankees in the World Series. I didn't mean that. No, I didn't mean that. So, did I get the part? One last thing. I need you to give me a what's up? Say it with your chest. Say it with your chest. What's up? All right, you're my best friend. You've been f***ing my wife ever since I've been on deployment. I'm coming back for the holidays, and you don't want me to know anything's going on between you and her. I walk in through the front door. What's up? Officer Doofy auditions are down the hallway. Make it right, room 5. Happy birthday, bud. 30 years old. The big.
What was that clip? What was that? Oh my god.
Are you thinking of getting your own place? Yeah. I'm trying to find a job right now. I'm not gonna lie, Devora's been taking up a lot of my time lately. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. What did I tell you about fighting in front of my parents? Well, it's true. Yeah, yes, you do. You take up every minute of my
Oh.
and even
I see.
Somehow, you're still there. No, you know that's f***ing bullshit. Hey, I got kids.
I'd be like, sir, or the parents. I'd be like, I'll talk to the parents. I'd be like, there's medication for this. It's called, what is it? And also there's treatment for this called schizophrenia. I think he's gonna need it.
Cake in the fridge. Oh, you hear that? She's got cake in the fridge. Fatty, let's go eat it. Look at her. She's getting fat. Dad, what do you think? Yeah. She's getting fat as Oh, no. Here we go. Okay, yeah, I know why, but... whoa. What? Well, the cat's out of the bag on that one. What? What's going on? Devora's pregnant. We're having a boy. You guys are gonna be grandparents. I know, baby. I'm sorry. Anger management classes? You, dude. Guys, the cake. Let me get the cake. You always wonder why I'm angry, but has it ever crossed your mind that maybe you're being a bitch? Or what? You're gonna take it away from me? What do you
Man's having an argument for the voice of one.
mean he's not mine?
Oh.
Son, no! Stop it! You're scaring me! I loved you. Son, no! Oh no, God! Oh no!
Dude, imagine how crazy it would have been if they made it as of like each stab there's blood coming out. Dude, that'd be so crazy. That'd be so interesting.
What did I do? What did I do? Mom? Dad? Oh, God! God! Hey, Santa! Where the are my cookies? Well, I was really hungry last night.
Oh my God, this Santa don't mess around.
Dear Santa, I want a hockey stick so I can start playing hockey.
Oh, don't tell me he's gonna. Yep, there it is. He's gonna beat him with it.
You've been a naughty boy, Billy. You've been a naughty boy. Oh, I forgot to hang my new ornament. Santa's gonna take a shit.
Oh my God. Oh God, bro. Oh my God.
You bring me. These kids are just so entitled nowadays, man. What the hell's Santa? Oh, Merry Christmas, bitch.
Oh. Oh my God, dude. That is so funny, dude. Oh my God. Dude, these skits are so they're unbelievably funny. Oh my God. This guy deserves every bit of subscribers, man. What's the one that I saw before? But I don't know. But anyways, what is it? You guys check out Jaydaddy. He's, as you can see, man. I was almost tearing up, bro. It's so funny. Anyway, what is it? Leave a like, subscribe, and as I said, check out Jaydaddy. This guy deserves every view, every bit subscriber this man gets, because wow, these skits are funny. Oh man. Anyway, oh, you guys have a good one. And also, I want to say again, thank you for the 200 subscribers. And yeah, peace. Oh, this guy's awesome.